So in case of an email thread, you will keep on receiving emails in your inbox even if it is not meant for you, because it is a part of a thread. And sometimes what you may want to do is you may not want to receive the mail that you receive in that particular thread in your inbox because it may not be relevant to you. In that case, what you can simply do is you can mute out the email threads as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the email that you want to mute, and then you can click over here and then go around onto more right here where you find the mute option. So if you were to go around and click right here, then what happens is the conversation is muted, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and click on undo, then I receive it back. Another way you can mute out those email threads is by right-clicking on that email and by clicking on mute from over here, just like this as well. So to get back the email from the thread on your inbox, you can see it says conversation muted, but this dialog box right here will disappear like this. You can go around over here onto more right here, and then you can go to the all mail section where you'll see all of those mails right here. And over here, you can see the thread that uses muted over here. So you can see that these are all the mails that are not part of the inbox right here. And then you can go around onto any of the mail right here, and you can see that this mail is muted right here. And you can see that it says muted right here. You can right click over here and unmute this mail, or you can select it and click on the three dot button and then unmute the mail once more. And what happens is that you get that mail back on your inbox once again. And that is how you can go around and mute and unmute email threads inside of Gmail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.